Today I will share the easiest way to make the dripping effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So I have chosen this canvas and I will go to uploads and I will use this image and I will move it above and make it slightly smaller. Okay, move it above, and after that click on edit, go to tools, click on see all and click on magic expand and click on whole page and click on expand. So let's use this one, the first one, and click on done. And now I will go to apps here, click on this search and write here clipping mask and use the first tab here. Now select this image, click on start masking and use this one. This is the dripping effect one and just apply it here. Make it smaller. Okay, so it is applied. Now scroll down and click on add to design. Okay, now I will just adjust it here. Scroll and zoom in so that you can just adjust the images. Use the arrow keys. So the effect is here. Now I will just select the main image and click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, and now crop it till here. Crop it slightly more. So the effect is here. Now crop it from this part also because this is not required. Now click on Ctrl+A and make this effect bigger and just center it. After that I will just use a background so that I can just explain it in a better way. So I will use this one and I will just select it, change the color to another blue color. Okay, and just move it from here, just interchange it and use the circular gradient. Okay, and if you want you can make it darker or lighter from here directly. Now I will just Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C to copy it. Click on add page and just remove the background and here I will paste it and click on download. Make sure it is in PNG and click on current page, page 2 and click on transparent background and click on download. Now I will click on add page. Okay, and bring the background, copy it, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste it here and bring the image here. Okay, make it to the same size as the canvas. And after that click on edit, scroll down to find shadows, click on see all, click on outline and make sure it is in size 25 and click on the color and change it to white and also decrease the size and check which one looks good. So let's try 10 here. So 10 looks good. So in this way you can make this dripping effect complete here. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.